bank was founded on relationships with our customers. I think as we've advanced the bank, we've also had to advance relationships with our business partners internally, our customers. And again, what's really grown in the last 5 to 7 years is partnership with various technology companies. Again, we can't serve up everything we need individually. So that strong partnership with folks that serve in the financial industry that understand banking and not just technology provides a whole host of new value to us. Our very first project, we were in the process of consolidating 3 loan systems into a single platform. If you think about the number of interfaces in a single loan system, you have about 24 interfaces alone. You take that across 3 systems. How do you bring that together and make sure you provide the consistency and accuracy? And again, as opposed to having 10, 15 developers write those different interfaces, we kind of started at the ground level and created a service-based environment, and Tibco was kind of a core foundation of that, and then use those services to reach out those interfaces to make our consolidation to that single loan system much quicker with better accuracy, and then also provided us a foundation to advance to other systems in the future. 3 areas that were transformative for us. The number one thing I'll start with is integration. Whether you call that a service-based model or a microservices-based model was key for us to speed up our time to deliver. Whether that's small projects, whether that's large projects, whether that was system replacements. We are able to use our investment in Tibco to do that in a number of areas with some very large projects that we had. Second area, what we call process efficiency. So the bank by and large has hundreds of processes, and we have very large systems that handle a core function, whether that's a deposit system or a GL system or a loan system. But between those systems are areas that we call the white space. They're areas in which you have a spreadsheet that keeps track of something, or you have a folder on somebody's desk, or somebody sends an email or uses a SharePoint site. We are attempting to use workflow and BPM tools to close that white space and provide automation between those major systems. And the third area, which is ripe for the taking, is, as we've talked before, is using the data and the data analytics to better understand where the bank is going, how to better serve our customers, and how to provide more profitability to the bank, while also making sure that the customers expand and have first-class experience within the bank. Ultimately, what led to kind of the initial signing, the ongoing relationship, was really the people at Tibco. Their experience in obviously integration, their experience in the financial services market, their experience with solving problems, their ability to integrate various technologies together. And so over the past couple of years, we really do have a strong partnership. And then sometimes that term is overused. But in this particular case, we feel that if we pick up the phone and call, we will have a good partner on the other line, whether that's solving a problem or helping us explore new capabilities. The Tibco toolset has been tremendous value for us. We kind of knew the end game of what we wanted to do. The idea was how we would go about that. And Tibco was very helpful coming to the table and not trying to sell a product, but actually talk about how you would solve a business problem. And that the tools that we ultimately did purchase could enable that. But it's really that collaboration and experience that Tibco has working with other financial institutions that helped us understand what was a good way to solve a technology problem without talking about a product. We take information via chat, via surveys, via calls into the call center. And again, some of the themes that we're hearing is I love the self-service capability. I love the proactive alerting that you provide. I love the customer service that you provide. We've talked about us providing consistency in our channels. We're starting to see more feedback that the customers like that consistency come through.